Why children should play with toy cars? Actually, playing with toy cars offers a range of developmental benefits for children. Here are some reasons why children should engage in such play. Number 1. Motor skill development. Playing with toy cars involves manipulating and maneuvering the cars, which helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Children use their fingers and hands to push, pull, and steer the cars, enhancing their dexterity and control. Number 2. Imaginative play. Toy cars provide an opportunity for imaginative and creative play. Children can invent scenarios, stories, and adventures involving the cars, which aids the cognitive development and fosters creativity. Number 3. Social skills. Playing with toy cars often involves interaction with other children. This encourages social interaction, cooperation, and communication as kids negotiate roles, share toys, and create collaborative scenarios. Number 4. Spatial awareness. Playing with toy cars can enhance a child's spatial awareness and understanding of concepts like directions, distance, and speed. As children move the cars around different surfaces and terrains, they develop a basic sense of spatial relationships. Number 5. Problem-solving skills. When children engage in pretend play with toy cars, they encounter challenges and obstacles that require them to think critically and find solutions. This type of play encourages problem-solving skills and logical thinking. Number 6. Language development. While playing with toy cars, children often engage in conversations, storytelling, and role-playing. This helps improve their language skills, vocabulary, and ability to express themselves. Number 7. Cause and effect. Children learn about cause and effect relationships as they observe how their actions impact the movement and behavior of the toy cars. This understanding of cause and effect is fundamental to cognitive development. Number 8. Emotional regulation. Imaginative play with toy cars can help children process and express their emotions. They can act out different scenarios and use the play as a way to explore and manage their feelings. Number 9. Role-play and empathy. Toy cars can serve as characters in various role-playing scenarios, allowing children to step into different roles and develop empathy as they consider the perspectives and feelings of their imaginary characters. Number 10. Diverse learning. Toy cars in various shapes, sizes, and types, from realistic models to more fantastic designs. This variety offers opportunities for children to learn about different types of vehicles, engineering concepts, and even basic physics principles. And yes, links for these cars I keep down below.